Okay, so this is sixth question of 1985 AMC8. A ream of paper containing 500 sheets is 5 centimeter thick. Approximately how many sheets of this type of paper would there be in a stack? 7.5 centimeter high. Straightforward question. So 5 centimeters, we have 500 papers. 7.5 centimeters, how many papers? So it's 500 into 7.5 by 5. You solve it, you're going to get 750. So that's your answer, which is D. Going to the next one. Question 7. A stair step figure is made up of alternative black and white squares in each row. Rows 1 through 4 are shown. You'll have to figure out a pattern to get the number of black squares in the 37th row. So we just create a pattern here. So this is the first row, there are no black squares. This is the second row, there's one black square. Third row, 2, fourth row, 3, and so on and so forth. Now you will see a pattern. So obviously in the 37th row, there are going to be 36 squares. So the answer here will be C, 36. Move to the next one. If A is equal to -2, the largest number in the set. So you just have to replace A with -2 and calculate all the values. So the first value here is 6, second is -8, third is -12, and then you have 4, and then you have 1. So obviously the greatest number here is 6, which corresponds to -3A. So A is your answer. Moving to the next. The product of the 9 factors 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, and so on till 1 minus 1 by 10. So you just calculate the subtraction. So you'll see that again there is a pattern which you can easily cancel out. So the first one is 1 by 2, second is 2 by 3, third is 3 by 4, and so on. It will go till 9 by 10. So all the common numbers will get cancelled in the numerator and denominator, and then finally you get the answer as 1 by 10, which is this A. Going to the next one. Fraction halfway between 1 by 5 and 1 by 3, and look at this carefully on the number line is. Now this is a confusing terminology, right? And just by looking at this question, you'll think that this is 3, this is 5. So obviously the answer will be 1 by 4, which is this. Okay, but this is a tricky question. The answer is not 1 by 4. Always remember to find the midpoint of any 2 points on your Cartesian plane. You will have the formula a plus b by 2 when a and b are the 2 points. So going by that, we are going to say it will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 by 2, which is nothing but multiplying by half. So just solving that, you get half into 8 by 15, take an LCM of 15 and you get on the top 8. So your answer is going to be 4 by 50, okay, which is C. So be careful, this is a tricky question, and since there is time limitation in AMC8, many will just think that it is 1 by 4, but be cautious of how you calculate midpoint.